about your look for today?
I'm gonna do a little brownish beige glam makeup, and I'm so excited to use the eyeliner in the diamond color.
Oh yes, diamond is my favorite.
We need some sparkle in there. And I'm just gonna start by using the lip scrub though, because preparation is the most important part.
Yes.
So, yeah. What about you?
Well, I like to keep my skin moist. I'm going to use the Artinas because it's good. You can use it throughout the day. You can use it post-workout. But it also gives you like a little... Probably should close my mouth.
Yeah.
But it does have tea in it. So I guess I don't feel that bad
Exactly.
if it got into my mouth. Right? But to be honest, it feeds your skin some vitamins. So I love that piece of it. And then it's also a good prep as you switch up. So I'm going to switch up my makeup like maybe like a little nighttime look, I'm thinking, right? But I like also go with the beiges.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to go with like a pink shimmer and then smoke my eye out.
That's great.
Yes. So let's start with that. And then I'm going to use the Beautynthecity Ninja, and you can kind of use that in the, to get like in the crease, the eye crease, to get a little smoke, and it makes it more precise. So I like that.
Yeah, I love that too. And of course, we can't forget the Beautynthecity mascara.
Oh yeah.
Because
lashes,
good lashes are so important. That is like my number one. Always. Mascara.
Yes, I have my mascara out.
Yeah, me too.
So now, back to dating. All right, so you have to tell me your worst date story. I haven't heard that one yet.
Date story.
Yeah.
Okay. So, my worst date story was with a guy I had a huge crush on. He was very cute, he was very handsome, and at first I thought I would never have a chance with him, but he asked me out, and I was freaking out. I was so excited. He took me out to an Italian restaurant. It was great. We talked, and then we went home to his place, and we watched a show. And I thought, please make a move, like I really kiss you, you know? Like,
I've been in that thing. Yes, you're kind of like hoping, but you don't want to egg it on, right?
Yeah, and also, I'm a girl and I kind of still want you to make the first move.
Of course.
But he didn't. And so I was like,
still classy,
I'm independent,
right?
I can do it. And so I kissed him. But it was the worst kiss I have ever had in my whole entire life, because they literally kissed me like mouth wide open, tongue everywhere, and I was so disappointed in that.
No.
And yeah, that kind of ruined. Yes, exactly. And that kind of ruined like the whole entire night. But I also didn't know what to do, and he seemed so excited afterwards. And I was like, no, I didn't really enjoy this, but that's okay. Yeah.
Aww.
And I actually saw him again after that because I wanted to give him another chance, but
okay.
No.
It's bad kissing is really tough.
It is.
Yeah, it's hard to overcome because
Yeah.
it's like, if you were, even on a date with a guy and you kiss him and he's a bad kisser, he's like, oh my god, you're a really good kisser.
Exactly, and you're like,
I don't even know what I want to say. Like,
exactly.
but you're awful.
Yes. No, totally.
You're like all over the place.
Yeah. But do you make the first move sometimes, or do you leave it to the guy?
I usually leave it to to the guy. So
Yeah,
sometimes
right?
I do have first dates where they don't do anything.
Yeah.
Which is okay with me.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, because then I thought, well, I know by the second date then they'll do something, right?
Yeah.
But then, as I was telling you a while ago, how I had that amazing first date where we went like the ice skating, and then we did, it was like the nonstop, didn't end until 6 a.m. the next day, and all we did was hung out. So I had a drink, just one drink, I'm such a lightweight, at the bar. So I was like, oh my god, when we got in the car, I said, you know, I was so talkative. I was like, I really like you. I might let you kiss me. And he was like, oh my god, you look like you have a lot of moves. He's like, I don't know, I don't want to take advantage.
No, that's so cute. I love that.
I was like, no, it's okay. And he was like, okay. He was like so nervous about it. But by the time we ended up watching the stars and everything for so many hours, of course he eventually made a move. But it was very cute.
Yeah.
He was a really cute guy.
But I also like when you can tell that they're a little nervous, because it shows that they actually care. And so like, yeah, I know I'm gonna get you. So
exactly,
like,
no arrogance,
cute.
right?
Yeah. So let's dip into the highlighter.
Oh, I probably could do my cattails a little bit more.
Yeah.
It's like an art doing the cattails, I feel.
Oh, for sure.
So you gotta go over it a few times.
I love this. It looks so pretty.
Oh yeah, that silver looks so good on you.
It's great. Especially for a night out. Like if you just want to glam up your look a little bit.
It's a quick way,
just
right?
add that, yeah.
That's the big thing about like Beautynthecity. Our line is just designed so that you can do things in like 2 or 3 minutes.
Exactly.
With a big impact.
Yeah. No, I can tell for sure.
I did a little inside the inner eye, but now I'm gonna just line a little bit along the lash line. You're inspiring me.
Yes, I love
To
it.
go a little more glam.
That looks great. That
Yes,
looks great.
I'm doing a little more glam.
I love that. Do you wear makeup every day?
I wear makeup most days.
Yeah.
It depends. If I'm working from home and don't have a Zoom meeting, I have to admit, I might just wear I'll just use like our serums. Like I'll use my lash and brow serum.
Yeah, exactly.
I'll use my serum C in the morning, and I use my T mist every morning. So those things I use. And then sometimes I'll just put like a little bronzer on to go run some errands. And then what I love about it is you can use the bronzer, but it's got aloe vera in it, it's vegan, it's got coconut oil in it. So I sometimes wear, like if I'm out for errands and I'll go to the gym, I don't feel bad, like, oh, I have all this stuff on my skin.
Yeah.
Because you can use this pre or post workout. If we're out, you don't have to feel bad about it.
Exactly.
You can always wipe your face
Exactly.
if you wanted to, but whatever the case is.
No, I love that. And especially a good lash serum. It's so helpful. And
Well, it helps the lashes grow out.
Exactly.
And so it works with the mascara.
Yeah.
And then so now I'm using the bronzer. I put a little bit here on my brow bones, and then of course I just do a little bit here to highlight on my temples.
I love it.
And then a little bit of my contour. It's like fun for a natural look.
I love the bronzer. I think it's one of my favorites.
Yeah, it is. It's a good staple.
Yeah. Oh, for sure.
And I feel like our bronzer, because it's a tint, you don't only have to wear it in the summer.
Yes.
Because it's not giving you heavy pigment, it's just giving you glow.
Exactly.
Yes.
And especially for very pale people like me, it's perfect because it's like not this sharp brown line
it's too
on your face.
intense,
It's just
right?
like
Some of those
a nice glam.
are too intense.
Yeah, for sure. I
No,
love the mascara. So good.
I'm gonna put a little bit more mascara on. I'll prep my
But
lips.
you don't need a lot. Like it already looks great. It's just
A little bit,
Yeah.
right? No, it goes a long way.
It is amazing. When was your first date?
My first date ever?
Yes.
Oh, goodness, that's tricky. I mean, I had high
What
school. I
counts?
went
Yeah.
like a 16. But I
Yeah.
don't know if that counts. Like my first good first date might have been 19.
Yeah.
It's like high school is kind of like an after
Exactly.
school hangout. He thought it was a
Exactly.
little
Yeah.
date, but I don't know. Like by the
Yeah.
time you get to college, you realize like, oh, that probably wasn't really
Yeah.
a date, right?
Oh, for sure. And also dating in general. Like in high school, it's like, oh, that's a cute guy. We're together now, but it's never
Yes.
something serious.
Exactly. In your mind, it is because all you do is talk about it with your girlfriends, right?
Yes. And
Like,
then when you break up, you're so heartbroken, but it's nothing compared to the actual
so
heartbreak.
intense. Yeah, isn't that crazy?
It is.
Like when you break up with a guy in high school, it's like everything. It feels like it's happening for
Yes.
days and days, and you see
It's
it in the mall.
terrible.
You gotta change the way where you walk. Like it's so weird.
Exactly. That is so true. Yeah.
I'm using the Beautynthecity lip gloss.
And I am using the highlighter and
Yes, I put a touch of that on.
yeah, on the nose.
Thanks, everybody.
the cheekbones. Gorgeous. I love it.
Quick. Beautynthecity is quick.
And again.
Good, great.
Yeah. You too.
All right. I think there we have it.